Okay, unfortunately I don't have much time to show you this. We have an Epson ET-4500 and we had some printer head issues. The customer had tried to DIY using a YouTube video, tried to clean, and they were instructed, to remove this vane and to flush Windex through here, and that obviously didn't work. As a result, she was only able to print in color. When I did a test print, I was only getting color, no black. Then I ran through the maintenance. So then you go down to setup and maintenance, and there's all these different maintenance functions that you can run. And so I ran the paper guide clean. We did a few print head alignments, but that's not really what the issue was. So then I did a bunch of nozzle checks, and that's how you actually get this result here. After you do the nozzle check, it'll instruct you to do a print head cleaning, and that takes about like 5 minutes, something like that. You'll see the carriage head just kind of like move back and forth, and you can hear it kind of spraying, but it'll kind of waste a lot of ink and reduces the longevity of your ink absorption pads, which is not good. After doing like 5 or 6 print head cleanings and just kind of wasting a lot of ink, I just went in there and actually cleaned it myself, and this was the end result. So we got it working. Yeah, basically what you do, you can't move the carriage with the power on this model, so you just need to do like a print and the carriage will move back and forth, and when it's over on the left hand side, you just turn the power off, and that'll freeze it where it is, and then it's not locked and you can move it freely. And then you'll just move it to this area here. Actually I can just show you. So we'll just do a nozzle check. So exciting. Okay. So anyways, as it's doing a nozzle check, I can just turn the power off, and so that freezes it in place, and then you can move it wherever you'd like, gently. And then you can take these guys and you can get your finger kind of behind there. There's a little clip, and you can kind of just get that clip, and then you can pull it out. And what you need to do is, like, this is fine, you can just place it on a napkin or something. So you take a paper towel and fold it up like this, and kind of place it in the path of where the printer head would go. Then you kind of pull the printer carriage like over the top of this, and you can kind of use that to clean the printer heads, which are underneath the carriage. Then what I also did is I grabbed some of these and I just put plain water in them. So down in there you'll see the actual nozzle where these spray down to the print head. What I did is I just cut this to size so it'd get a nice snug fit, and I placed it on top of that nozzle down there, and I had a little bit of water in it, and I just squeezed it through to just clean it out. And then after that, I replaced this guy. Okay, so that just sits in there, clicks into place, and then you remove like your mess, because these will be soaked with ink. You'd want to, place this back on. I didn't really talk about that, but I'm sure if you've gotten to this stage that you've already kind of seen how this goes on, and there's a single screw that goes there to secure that. I'm just gonna take that back off. I don't need it. I just turn the power back on, and it's gonna do resets and recalibration, which takes like another 5 minutes. And then you can go ahead and do your nozzle checks and your print nozzle cleanings. And yeah, and then, the first result that I got after that was this. So much better, but still not perfect. And then I just did one more check and cleaning, and we're back in business.